Hey, thanks for tuning in. This is going to be an unboxing video of a Lego Batman set. Now, I received this a few months ago as a gift, and when I opened it up, I thought to myself that this could make for a really fun unboxing video. If nothing else, it'll be silly. So let's tear this open and take a look. So I'm not going to read off exactly what's on the box. Obviously, it's Batman. The Lego set's from the movie, which is really awesome. Here's kind of the back to kind of show some of the fun we can have. You know what? And adults can have fun with Lego too. So let's tear this open. So there we have it. We have Mr. Freeze, which turned out pretty cool. These things were a little complicated. They didn't want to stay in, but very cool. And then of course he's freezing this guy who's trying to run away. And then we have our hero, Batman. And he has a cool little flame gun. And then of course we have a little workstation. And so there you have it. That is Batman Lego set from the Batman movie. Thanks for watching.